Did you know why ginger is a staple in so many traditional medicines, and that over 80% of people are unaware of the incredible health benefits of ginger? Imagine a simple root that can boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and even aid digestion, all while adding delicious flavor to your meals. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover 12 powerful health benefits of ginger that could transform your body and well-being. Stay tuned because we're diving deep to explore the miracle of this wonder root, its excellent benefits for our health, the endless uses of ginger in our diet, how to store it correctly, how to make the most medicinal ginger tea, and who should not eat ginger. This humble root we often overlook is a powerhouse of health benefits for our overall body. But how much do we know about it? Ginger has much to offer, from boosting your immune system and brain, to helping with digestion. So watch this video until the end, because you will want to take advantage of ginger's health and life-changing benefits. Before we start, can you guess how many overall health benefits ginger has for your body? Drop your guesses in the comments below, and let's see if you were right. Number 12, boosts immunity. Ginger is a powerhouse of antioxidants, vital for strengthening your immune system. Consuming this beneficial root helps the body fight harmful free radicals, while reducing the risk of developing certain diseases. Number 11, anti-inflammatory. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds can help reduce inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease and cancer. Number 10, aids digestion. Ginger can stimulate digestion and help soothe an upset stomach. It's often used to alleviate symptoms of gastrointestinal distress, such as bloating and constipation. Number 9, reduces nausea. This unique medicinal root is a natural remedy for nausea and vomiting. Whether it's morning sickness, motion sickness, or chemotherapy-induced nausea, ginger can provide relief quickly. Number 8, pain reliever. Ginger has been used as a natural and effective pain reliever for centuries. It's particularly effective for managing arthritis pain and menstrual cramps. Number 7, lowers blood sugar. Some studies have shown that ginger may help regulate blood sugar levels, making this root a beneficial addition to a diet for people with diabetes. Number 6, promotes heart health. Ginger is a fantastic spice that can do wonders for your heart health. It contains compounds like gingerol, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which are key contributors to heart disease. Ginger can also help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation, reducing the risk of blood clotting, heart attacks, and strokes. Incorporating ginger into your diet can naturally and deliciously support your heart's health. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. Number 5, weight loss. Ginger can help promote weight loss by enhancing thermogenesis and reducing feelings of hunger, leading to reduced calorie intake. Number 4, skin health. Thanks to its excellent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger can promote healthier skin by preventing free radical damage and reducing inflammation. Number 3, fights infections. The bioactive substance in ginger known as gingerol can help lower the risk of infections by inhibiting the growth of many different types of bacteria. Number 2, improves respiratory function. Ginger can help reduce, break down and expel mucus, making it beneficial for those who have respiratory issues. Number 1, improves brain function. Ginger is not just great for your body, it's also a fantastic booster for your brain. Its antioxidants and bioactive compounds can help fight inflammation and oxidative stress, which are known to affect brain health. By reducing these harmful processes, ginger may enhance cognitive function and improve memory. Some studies suggest ginger can increase attention and reaction time, making it a natural way to keep your mind sharp. It has also been shown to improve reaction time and memory, and it may even slow down the progression of neurodegenerative diseases, like Alzheimer's. Including ginger in your diet might be the tasty trick to support your brain's health and keep it functioning at its best. In addition to these vital characteristics, scientists have noticed some additional benefits for our health. Eating ginger can also reduce fermentation, constipation, and other causes of gas and bloating. Ease morning sickness and other nausea associated with pregnancy. Take the edge off chemotherapy post-treatment nausea. Help with osteoarthritis and treat chronic indigestion. Reduce menstrual pain. Help reduce cancer risk. Keep your mouth clean and healthy, brighten your smile, and soothe sore muscles. Storing and preparing fresh ginger can be pretty simple, and here are some tips. If left unpeeled, you can store fresh ginger in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. Store peeled ginger in a glass jar, filled with dry sherry or neutral-tasting alcohol like vodka, and it will keep for several months. You can also freeze whole or sliced ginger in airtight containers. To prepare fresh ginger, you first need to peel it. You can do this easily with the edge of a spoon. Then you can slice or grate it, depending on your recipe. Remember, always wash the ginger thoroughly before peeling or cutting it. But how to make the most beneficial ginger tea? Ginger tea is best consumed in the cold season and after meals. Adding ginger to your diet can be done in a variety of ways. You can add fresh ginger to your meals while cooking, or use it as a spice in your favorite recipes. You can also use it in smoothies and juices, or even bake it in desserts. Ginger tea is another popular option, and you can make a fantastic drink by adding a little lemon or lime, and a little honey. To make its tea correctly, clean 1 small piece of fresh ginger, steep it in hot water, and let it stay for 4 to 5 minutes. Strain, add 1 teaspoon of honey and juice from half a lemon or 1 lemon slice, and stir well. Enjoy a warm tea that will quickly boost your immune system and strengthen your health. However, while ginger has many health benefits, consuming it as part of a balanced diet is always essential. On a related note, ginger is generally considered safe for most people, but it can cause side effects in some. These can include heartburn, diarrhea, and stomach discomfort, especially when consumed in large amounts. It can also interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, people with gallstones, and those about to undergo surgery, should consult with a healthcare professional before consuming ginger. I hope you found this video helpful, and are excited to incorporate more ginger into your diet. If you enjoyed learning all about ginger, please give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends. Your likes help this channel grow, and reach more people. Have you ever drunk ginger tea? I'd love to read how it has changed your life, so share your experiences in the comments below. Also, if you want to learn how oregano oil can improve overall skin health, the safest ways to use oregano oil, and the best practices for applying oregano oil effectively, watch the video on the left. Thank you so much for watching my video, and remember, your health is your wealth. I wish you all the best, and until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of nature's remedies.